Wear a belt for 20 minutes a day and lose inches from your waist. That's the bold promise behind NuraSculpt Waistband trending online. But is it a real body sculpting device or just another slimming gadget with big claims? So the NuraSculpt Waistband is marketed as a red light therapy slimming wrap. The device claims to use red light energy, galvanic current, vibration, and heat to shrink fat cells, tighten skin, and improve circulation around the waist. The company says users can see a firmer waist and smoother skin within a few weeks with daily 20-minute sessions. There are a few reasons it gets attention. Red light therapy has been studied for skin tightening and cosmetic body treatments. It's non invasive and easy to use at home compared to clinical body contouring treatments. Some users report smoother skin or slight contour improvements after consistent use, but there are some important concerns. The dramatic claims like losing inches quickly mostly comes from marketing, not independent clinical studies. Reviews online are mixed, with some users complaining about shipping issues or misleading expectations. Experts say devices like this typically offer temporary cosmetic effects, not real fat loss. So is the NuraSculpt waistband legit? It's probably a real cosmetic device, but the results are likely modest and temporary. Don't expect it to replace proper diet, exercise, or medical fat reduction treatments. The bottom line, it isn't necessarily fake, but the lose inches effortlessly claims are likely exaggerated marketing rather than guarantee results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.